Welcome back to the channel. 0260 Loft checking in. Today is Tuesday, March 8th, 2022, and we're just doing a small video to demonstrate the birds that are left in the loft. There's 6 birds, and the hawk has come almost every day. When I let the birds out, he comes. So I had like 10, and now I only have 6. And it's because of the hawk. So today I got out of work a little bit early, and I was able to clean and then let the birds out. So just a quick little update as to what's going on at the loft. I do have the second round that is currently weaning, so they should be in the loft in the next, like, I already put 3 of them in there now, and I have like another 3 plus another 3, so there's gonna be like another 10. So 6, 10, 16. So my team is going to be about 16 to 19 birds, depending if I do another third round or not. I'm debating on it. I'm probably not going to do it, but I'm not 100% sure. So stay tuned for the next video. This is just a quick little update. I know that I haven't posted in a while, so welcome back, and hope you guys like this video. Mr. Peepers. Come. Good job, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, trap training. You're not gonna believe this. I have one young bird flying in the rain. The hawk showed up, started chasing him around, and now he's